Marco Bonaquisto, rich by 30. Let's get right into it. What are we on, like week 6 now? I think so. Yeah, week 6. Here are the numbers from week 6. In total, I sourced 11 items. I sold 8 items, and this time I really did sell 8 items. My math is not wrong, like last week's video. I only listed 7 items. My average profit per sale was $14.68. And my total profit for the week was $117.46. Now for the numbers that make up the business as a whole. And remember, these numbers are accurate to the day I'm recording this. My total amount of time spent on this business is 137 hours and 30 minutes. My current average profit per hour is $18.64 an hour. My average profit per sale is $19.12. And my total profit for this year of eBay is $2,562.64. Overall, when it comes to all of these numbers and this report, I'm feeling good. I'm feeling very hopeful and I'm feeling very driven. I can tell I'm moving in the right direction, and already to this day, I've made some changes in my business that made a huge impact in just this week. But you'll have to wait until next week's video to hear all about that. In general, I think the sales were great this week. Almost every sale that I got, I would consider to be in my category of good profit. You see, I break my profit categories down into 4 different categories. There's the high profit, which is anything where I'm profiting $50 or more. There's the good profit, which ranges between $15 and $49 a profit per sale. I know it's a wide range, but honestly, anything above $15 and under $50 is really good, and I'm really happy with that amount of profit. Then I have the okay profit, which is between $6 and $14 per sale. Now, okay profit is still good because all profit is good profit as long as it's in the positive. So don't think that just because it's in the okay category that I'm disappointed with a sale that's making me between $6 and $14 per profit, because that is still really good profit. And then finally, the fine profit sales are ranging between $1 to $5 a profit per item. Now, these are sales that I'm fine with giving away the item at this little amount of profit because I probably have been holding it for a while and I just need to make some money off of it, and any profit is good profit at that point. And any profit is good profit in general, always, as long as it's positive. As soon as your profit's negative, that's bad. We'll call that bad profit. One thing that's really good that happened this week was that my sales went up. Last week I only sold 5 items. This week I sold 8. So it's always good to see that upward trajectory. But now I want to start seeing 10 sales a week, 15 sales a week, 20 sales a week, until eventually I'm selling 9 to 10 items per day. That's where we're going. That's where we're headed. Make sure you subscribe so you can see me get there. Now, with sales being up, something did go down, and that is the amount of listings that I made. Remember at the beginning of this video, I said I only made 7 listings this week. That is way below my average. That is way below how many I want to be listing. And it's okay because I was on vacation at the beginning of the week. And then when I got back from vacation, I had to catch up by going out, sourcing more items, and making sure I got all of my packages shipped out. And rest assured, I am back on it now, y'all. We are moving forward, doing better than ever, and I wish I could tell you about it, but you gotta wait till next week. Now, one item that did go down was the average profit per hour. I'm down to an hourly profit of $18.64. compared to last week's average hourly profit of $19.27. Now, this is a big deal. We cannot have this hourly rate going down any lower than this. It's going to start getting uncomfortable, and it's going to start becoming more difficult to continuously source the level of product that I need to source to uphold my store standard. Luckily, this number is very temporary. In fact, there are 2 sales right now that I have not calculated into that number. And the sales are big enough that they will make that number go up. But the reason that number went down is actually the main reason why that number will be going up. You see, in this week that I'm recording this video, I've already gone sourcing twice, and I'm planning to go sourcing again tomorrow, because I'm going to be sourcing and posting more than I ever have been, which means that there's a chance we'll see my hourly average profit go down, only to be followed by an immediate rise back up. I'm doing a lot of work up front so that I can make more sales in the long run. And doing all this work up front is going to be something that I'm gonna maintain. So right now, for my eBay store, it feels like a huge boost of effort. But for the longevity of my business, this is now the new standard. My new goal when it comes to sourcing is going to source 3 times a week. Now, we already know that my posting goal is 10 times a day, and we still haven't hit that goal. But with sourcing 3 times a week, We should be there. If not, we should be really close to it. And even though the goal is to go sourcing 3 times a week, I completely understand that I could either source less some weeks or I could even source more other weeks. All in all, I'm feeling great about the direction that I'm heading and the growth that I'm seeing in my store. And with this, I have no doubt that I will be rich by 30. And if you want to see me get there and follow along literally step by step, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that bell so you can get notified anytime we upload a new video.